Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about this is why YouTube video marketing is so famous. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. For more information about this is why YouTube video marketing is so famous, head over to my website, the link is in the description box. How to use a video marketing strategy. YouTube is one of the most popular places on the internet today for your target market to find and discover information about you and your business. You can use YouTube video marketing as a way to reach out to your customers and provide them with new and useful information that will answer their questions, give them new ideas and educate them about your product or service. This video will help you get started with your video marketing strategy. First, choose your target market. Who do you want to reach? The most important thing you can do is to determine who you want to reach and then determine what your products or services can help them do. Now, create a video about your target market and a voice message or email to the people who watch your video. Let your audience know exactly what you are offering. Write down key phrases and key action words that describe your target market and explain what you are offering in detail. Include the key phrases and key action words you just wrote down when you list out a description of your target market. Put these keywords at the beginning of your video. Ask people to open and read your email or voice message to find out more. In your video, you need to have an idea of who is watching and listening to your video. In your video, ask your audience to click on the subscribe button to keep up with your new videos. People who are interested in what you have to offer will be likely to subscribe. Your video also needs to be interesting so that people will want to subscribe and want to listen to your voice message. Your voice message should also contain action words to get people to do something with what you are giving them. For example, if you are trying to teach them how to get a free ebook on their computer, ask them to click on the "Do It Now" button and they will get the free ebook. Make sure that your videos have links to the video they are showing on your website or blog. And finally, you should be sending an email to everyone who has signed up for your video marketing newsletter that will contain your content. After you have finished creating your video and your voice message and have sent them to everyone who is on your mailing list, you will need to run some test videos to make sure that people are clicking on the subscribe buttons and opening your email. In a week you should have a few test videos that you have posted to your website or blog and should be running tests to see which videos are getting the most traffic and subscribers. When you create your video, do not add any images in the video that might distract from the video. Try to keep your video free of unnecessary things. Your video will be viewed by a lot of people, so you don't want to annoy them. Put the URL for your video in the bio box of your website or blog. Use a general subheading that will help people find your video on other websites and blogs. Make sure you provide a link to your video on all of your social media sites. Post your video on your website. If you use a video hosting service, post your video to YouTube first before uploading it to your website. This will increase the chances of getting your video up to YouTube's search engine first, thus more people will have access to your video. Add your video to your social media sites. Put a link to your video on all of your Facebook pages, all of your Twitter pages, and all of your other social media sites. This will help your video get exposure faster. As you can see, using a video marketing strategy can be very profitable and fun. If you create a video that answers your target market's questions, gives them a new idea, or educates them about your product or service, you will find that video marketing will bring you new customers, increase your sales, and open new doors to possible new clients. The video marketing dilemma, the one video marketing disadvantage you need to know about. If you've tried it, you know the awesome power of video marketing. You've seen this incredible video become viral and be watched by millions of people every day. Your viewers are wanting to know more about your business, products, or services, and all you have to do is provide the information. The only downside is the fact that you have to deal with paying for advertising costs that may not even be able to cover it. All this means is that you have to find a solution and a way around video marketing disadvantage. People see this and think, why not? Why not use this as a selling tool? If you take what someone is doing well and try to create your own version of it, you can market your products better than ever before. This is a video marketing disadvantage that has actually been known for a long time. So, they will know the benefits, but not always the disadvantages. The first disadvantage of this is that you have to be really creative and original. A lot of times, the only reason someone will make a video at all is so they can upload it to YouTube. With that being said, most people have not had much success in marketing their videos or having any kind of effect on their income. The problem is that there is a huge learning curve involved. I don't think it's a good idea to do this type of marketing. For starters, you need to be creative, original, and able to put something unique into your video. If you're not one of those people, then this might not be the best way to go. When you do this, it's best to make videos that are between 2 and 5 minutes long. Also, you can go as viral as you would like, but the idea of going viral is not a good one. It's very important that your video is something you would really want others to see. It can be funny, but if it's not something you would want others to see, then it won't work. For example, if you're making a video about the benefits of one product, you might want to go after certain businesses that deal with medical issues. You're much more likely to get the attention of these types of businesses, and you will have a much higher chance of them seeing your video and having it popular enough to become viral. Also, you need to make sure that your video is interesting. Something that many people don't do is that they try to make the most boring video possible. This isn't going to work, and no matter how hard you try to make it, the viewers won't be that impressed. You also need to choose a specific niche. Many people will try to do something in a number of different ways. I've seen videos that are totally about acne, but I've also seen a lot of very general videos. You need to narrow down to a particular issue and concentrate on that area. Try to stick to one particular niche, because it will help you build trust and credibility within that niche. In order to really drive traffic to your video, you should use a video marketing software. This will help you build your own list of viewers, which will help with your sales and will help you target specific demographics when you're trying to market. I'm just going to tell you about this one video marketing disadvantage, and why you should avoid it. It's not an easy process, but if you do it correctly, you'll do great. Video marketing advantage. This is why YouTube video marketing is so famous. If you are looking for a great way to drive traffic to your website, this is one of the best places to start. You could be building your own empire if you know how to do it right. Because most people have never heard of video marketing before, when they see what is involved in making videos, they can be a little bit scared. However, there are many advantages that make it great for use by everyone. First of all, video marketing can be used to promote almost anything that you want. You will not only be able to tell your story to a large audience, but you will also be able to sell to those same people as well. Just think about how much money you can make if you market your products to your friends and family. Another thing that makes this video marketing advantage so great is that the same message will work on everyone. By using a simple video format that does not have special effects or sounds, you will still get your point across to your audience. The main point here is that you are giving them the opportunity to see your message. If you were to use text that was difficult to read, it would seem very unprofessional. With a video, however, anyone that watches will not think that the video is not making sense. You may not realize this, but this video marketing advantage can give you a huge advantage over other marketers. Not only can you put out the same message, but you will also be able to convey it with a much more professional message. When you are thinking about starting a campaign online, you need to make sure that you use some form of video marketing to make it easier for the viewers to see what you are saying. You will want to start off slowly and then work your way up. People will get tired of watching the same thing, so do not forget to show some personality. Just remember that when you are talking to someone, that their attention is already being drawn to you through the video marketing advantage. When they realize that you are serious about what you are doing, you are going to have success. All you have to do is keep it interesting and remember that they are going to be watching you for a long time. Now that you have an idea of what video marketing advantage can do for you, it is time to see what you can do to use it to your advantage. You will be able to use video marketing to connect with your customers in a much more effective way than other methods. In order to really utilize this video marketing advantage, you will need to start off slow, and then work your way up. Using videos to help promote your business is a very good place to start. You will be able to talk about your products and your services to a huge audience and hopefully sell them. As you build your business, you will be able to use these videos to reach even larger audiences, and you will be able to make more money in the process. You will be able to make videos to help get people interested in your company. By using your videos to talk about your product and your company, you will be able to get your message out to a lot of people. You will be able to gain new customers and grow your business. Videos are a great way to reach people. They have been used by businesses and individuals alike for a long time, and now they can be used for you too. Don't forget about the video marketing advantage, because it can help you sell more and make more money than you ever thought possible. Thanks for watching my video about this is why YouTube video marketing is so famous. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.